There's the center of our plenum.
That's crazy looking.
Comes off pretty easily. Once you undo, you got 4 and 4 here on the runners. So you can get that out, and there's one fitting back here. These 2 hoses here, and then there's one
right there.
Sensor. Yeah, it's right there. Good eye. Yeah. And then that comes right out. And once that baby's out, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ooh. So now we need to get to here.
Get the vacuum out though.
Yeah, definitely need to get the vacuum out because that is yucky in there.
Yeah, we just don't want to drop anything in the motor.
I mean, for 5,000 miles, it's got a lot of schmutz on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull this little vacuum harness off here.
Okay.
Pull this so this can come out, and then we can undo our runner here. And then there's one back here as well. So we'll undo this. We'll undo this side here. Pull this set of runners off. Pull our fuel rail. And then pull these runners off.
Sounds good to me.
And then we can get ready to pull our distributor.
So what?
Then we have to pull our distributor.
Do you really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's why he's the boss. I just get told what to do.
Who? Where?
Oh, I know.
Huh?
I thought I saw him somewhere here.
Who?
Where'd he go? Anyways, guys. That's your little update. We'll have some more for you in a little bit.
Yeah.